Hey, what's up guys? This is WTF Fix. Today we have a pretty cool 360 Botslab S8 Plus robot vacuum cleaner to review. This is a powerful robotic vacuum cleaner for dry and wet cleaning with a self-empty dock. .360 Smart Life Group is an IT giant from China. All of his products are branded 360. The vacuum cleaner itself is in black color, a standard form for such devices, but I should note that it looks very stylish and will suit any interior. Almost all the latest technologies are built into this monster for comfortable cleaning of your home. Let's start with the main difference between the S8 Plus model, auto empty of garbage. Now you don't need to worry about cleaning the dust container, because the robot itself does it. It simply rides to its base and with the help of a powerful fan throws all the dirt into a dust bag. The 4-liter bag itself doesn't need to be cleaned often, about once every 2 months. The bags are disposable, but not very expensive. Look at AliExpress. With a maximum power of 2,700 pascals and 4 adjustable power levels, the S8 Plus robot effectively removes pet hair, dust, dirt and debris. It can also pass thresholds up to 2 centimeters, thanks to its large wheels. Thanks to LiDAR/SLAM navigation, the S8 Plus robot vacuum cleaner is well oriented in space, protected from falling from a height. He builds up to 10 cards, sees obstacles, and he can also set restricted areas and priorities. The built-in 5000 mAh battery provides up to 90 minutes of continuous use. And if the battery runs out, the vacuum cleaner automatically returns to the docking station, and then resumes cleaning from the place where it was interrupted. Wet cleaning. The model is equipped with a 360 ml large tank and a 320 ml water container with a 3-level electric supply. When you select the desired level of moisture, small, medium, high, the robot automatically sprays the right amount of water to clean the floor. It also has a special function, protecting carpets from getting wet. When building a map, it identifies and marks carpets. And if a block for wet cleaning is installed, it will bypass them. The vacuum cleaner can be controlled through the updated Botslab proprietary application. What can be done through the mobile application? Select cleaning mode. Select suction power. The intensity of the water supply. Select restricted areas. Determine the area of the carpet and exclude wet cleaning in this area. Place a virtual wall. Set up a cleaning schedule. Save up to 10 cards, 5 of them add to favorites. View the charge and wear indicators of consumables. The 360 Botslab S8 Plus robot vacuum cleaner is relatively quiet. This is important for daily cleaning so the noise is less annoying. You can find out the current price below, and I hope it will pleasantly surprise you in comparison with other analogs. If you liked the video, put thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.